Hi everyone, my name is Aastha Arora. I'm a junior majoring in psychology with minors in clinical health and substance use treatment. Today, I am excited to share with you a pivotal and novel study conducted at the University of Texas at Arlington under the guidance of my esteemed faculty mentor, Dr. Tracy Greer. This cross sectional study focuses on understanding how depression, anxiety, and rumination, which is essentially obsessive thinking and is a known symptom of depression, can impact engagement and interest in mindfulness programs among college students. Mindfulness has gained a lot of attention since the pandemic. This concept, as defined by Kabat-Zinn in 2003, is a conscious, non judgmental focus on the present moment and has been found to have a lot of benefits. For example, research by Gonzalez Martin in 2023 found it to be a potent tool for enhancing well being. Another famous therapy, mindfulness based cognitive therapy or MBCT, is used widely to treat chronic depression. However, there is a lack of research in understanding how mental health factors might impact interest and engagement in such mindfulness interventions and practice. This study addresses this gap in literature. Why college students, you may ask? They are a vulnerable group to mental health challenges. The 2008 National College Health Assessment revealed that 1 in 3 undergraduates experience depression severe enough to impede their functioning. Thus, mindfulness can be a very beneficial tool for them. Our study thus dives into how different mental health states can influence their interest and engagement with mindfulness practices. With a large, diverse sample of college students, we employed rigorous quantitative methods to explore patterns that could redefine how we approach mindfulness interventions on campuses. Our hypothesis was that elevated levels of these mental health factors would be inversely related to mindfulness engagement and interest. Our findings were very enlightening. Higher depressive symptoms predicted a reduced likelihood of engagement in mindfulness practices despite the known benefits, which is as we had hypothesized. However, we also discovered that increased anxiety predicted increased interest in mindfulness workshops, and increased ruminative tendencies predicted higher engagement in mindfulness practice, which is opposite to what we had hypothesized. So, what do we do with these preliminary findings? Our study suggests a tailored approach recognizing the barriers students with depressive symptoms might face and harnessing the interest among those experiencing anxiety. By aligning mindfulness interventions with the unique needs and mental health states of students, we can foster more supportive, effective, targeted wellness interventions on campuses. However, there were some limitations to these findings, like the reliance of self report measures, such as the Patient Health Questionnaire, the Generalized Anxiety Disorder Questionnaire, and the Rumination Response Scale, may introduce bias or inaccuracies in reporting mental health symptoms. They also self reported their mindfulness practice engagement and interest. The sample is limited to UTA students, which may not be representative of the broader college student population. As we move forward, let's consider these findings and insights not just as academically important, but as actionable knowledge. Future research can be done, which includes a more diverse sample to be able to generalize the results and may use a longitudinal design to clarify cause and effect relationships. They could also test the impact of other psychological variables on predicting interest and engagement in mindfulness interventions. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to any questions, comments, or discussions on how we can collectively enhance student well being through mindfulness.